Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, The English Teacher. I am Amandeep and I am your English teacher. And today I'm going to let you know that how we can answer the questions of IELTS Speaking Module Part 1. So, are you ready for it? I hope you all are already ready. So, let's move ahead and start with our questions. Before starting our video, I would like to tell you all that there are some points which you need to remember. The first thing is that the answers I'm going to tell you, these are the sample answers, means these are the answers made by me, or these are answers according to my situation, according to my educational history, my job field, my personal environment in which I am living, my surroundings. So जो सारे के सारे आंसर्स हैं वो मेरे लाइफ के ऊपर बेस्ड हैं कि मेरी क्या सिचुएशन है, कहाँ हूँ, किस तरह हूँ, क्या पढ़ा है, क्या नहीं पढ़ा, कुछ काम किया नहीं किया. सो उस बेस के ऊपर सारे मैंने आंसर्स हैं. तो मेरी लाइफ सबकी लाइफ की तरह सेम नहीं है. वी ऑल आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर, राइट. सो सबके आंसर्स उनकी सिचुएशन, उनकी लाइफ, उनकी एजुकेशनल हिस्ट्री के अकॉर्डिंग ही होंगे. तो आप आंसर्स चेपना नहीं, क्योंकि अगर आप ऐसे आंसर्स याद करके फेक आंसर्स बोलोगे तो बीच में कोई ना कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा जहाँ पे आप अटक जाओगे. जिस फील्ड की, जिस चीज़ की आपको नॉलेज नहीं है, ठीक है, उसके बारे में फ़ेक आंसर्स याद नहीं रखो. आप ट्राई नहीं, आप करो ही, सच ही बोलो. आप जो भी आपका काम है, जो भी आपका बैकग्राउंड है, जो भी आपकी एजुकेशन है, जो भी आपका सब्जेक्ट है, उस रिलेटेड आप अपने आंसर्स को बोलो. आप विलेज में रहते हो, आप सिटी लाइफ की बातें कर रहे हो, तो वो कैसे मैनेज होगा? नहीं मैनेज होगा. अगर आपको सिटी लाइफ का कुछ पता ही नहीं है, you are living in a village, so how could you speak about city life? आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता चलेगा, because city is quite different from village. So please ध्यान रखिए, जो है जैसा है, जो आपकी सिचुएशन है, उस अकॉर्डिंग ही आपने आंसर्स बोलने हैं. अगर आप फेक करोगे, फेक आंसर्स बोलोगे, ठीक है, तो फिर क्या होगा? आप खुद फंस जाओगे, आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. आपका जो स्पीकिंग का टेस्ट है, एग्ज़ाम है, वो आप अच्छे से नहीं दे पाओगे. सो प्लीज़ 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 बी ट्रू टू योर सेल्फ, बी ट्रू टू योर एग्ज़ामिनर, एंड अपनी सिचुएशन, अपने हालात, अपने बैकग्राउंड, आपका सराउंडिंग, आपकी लाइफ, आपकी फैमिली, आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल, उस अकॉर्डिंग ही अपने आंसर्स बनाइए, जो कि रियलिटी है. क्योंकि जो रियलिटी होती है उसको हम इजीली प्रेजेंट कर पाते हैं, और जो फेक होता है उसमें ही हम अटकते हैं. सो अगर आपको अच्छा स्कोर करना है तो अपनी लाइफ का जो आपका सच है उसके ऊपर ही बेस्ड आप अपने आंसर्स बनाइए. तो ये थी आपकी आज की टिप, ठीक है. ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है अगर आपने अपना एग्ज़ाम अच्छे से देना है, क्योंकि आप सोचने में टाइम गवाओगे, सोचोगे, फिर सेंटेंसेस फॉर्म करोगे, फिर बोलोगे, तो इससे अच्छा है ना जो रियलिटी है वो कम से कम आप एकदम से बोल तो पाओगे, राइट. उसके लिए आपको कोई, आपके रियलिटी के लिए आपको कोई प्रिपरेशन करके रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. वो तो बस आपको सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन आनी चाहिए, तो फिर यू आर good to go. So let's just not waste our time and move towards the questions and answers. And do remember, these are only sample answers based on my life and my experience, and you should make your own answers. Just you can take the idea that what kind of answer you can tell your examiner, okay? So that's only a sample, but not your kind of answer, okay? तो हमारा आज का जो फर्स्ट टॉपिक है शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस का, वो है स्टडी. क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्टूडेंट्स ही हैं जो जाते हैं आइल्स का एग्ज़ाम देने, एकेडमिक एग्ज़ाम्स देने, और वो स्टूडेंट्स जो है ऑब्वियसली वो आपको, आपका एग्ज़ामिनर आपकी स्टडी के रिलेटेड, आपके एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड के रिलेटेड आपसे कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो है वो ज़रूर करेगा. आपका सब्जेक्ट आपका फेवरेट है, नहीं है, क्या है, तो ऐसे कुछ सैम्पल क्वेश्चंस मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, साथ में आंसर्स, तो ध्यान से सुनिएगा। सो आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो सकता है दैट योर एग्जामिनर विल आस्क यू दैट व्हाट डू यू स्टडी, और आपका जो आंसर होगा वो कुछ इस तरह से होगा, वेल टॉकिंग अबाउट माई स्टडी आई एम परस्यूइंग माई बैचलर्स ऑफ आर्ट्स एंड my main subjects, my elective subjects are functional English, computer applications, and political science. And your next probable question can be that where do you study? And the answer should be like this. Currently, I'm studying in Khalsa College, which is situated in my hometown, Jalandhar, and the college is situated near Pathankot Bypass Chowk. It is near to my home, so that's why I chose this college. The next question is, out of all your subjects, which is your favorite subject? And the answer is, talking about my favorite subject is computer applications. I really like this subject because this subject has given me the knowledge that how in real life computers are used, how computers are available in every sector of life. So I think getting the knowledge of computers and about its actual use is really important in today's life. The next question your examiner may ask that is it a popular subject in your country? And your answer must be yes, of course it is a very popular subject in my country, because as I have already told you that computers are used in every segment, in every sector of life. So having the basic knowledge of computers is very necessary. So it is the need of the hour, and everybody wants to know about it, everybody wants to grasp the knowledge about it. So yes, of course it is very popular and important, and I think in today's time it is necessity. Your examiner may ask you the questions about your college, so he can ask you like what was your first day in college like. So your answer must be, remembering my first day in college, I feel very happy to remember about that day, because that was the day when I went to the college for the first time and it was raining all day long. I was so wet. I had an umbrella, but the rain was so strong. The storm was very high that I got drenched, and when I went to my classroom, I got to meet some new friends, and the teachers were really nice. The atmosphere of the class and the college was very pleasant. So all in all, it was a memorable day because of rain and because of the friends I got, and I just loved that day. Your next question, your examiner may ask you that if you had the chance, would you change your college? And your answer should be like this. The straightforward answer to this question is no. If I had got the chance to change my college, I would have never changed it, because the kind of environment I have seen in this college is really commendable. The teachers are helpful, my classmates, they are really cooperative, and overall I have never seen the college like this. So why would I change the best college in my hometown? I would have never left it. Your next question may be, do you plan to get a job in the same field as your subject? And the answer should be, I would love to give the answer to this question that yes, I am planning to get a job in the same field as my subject, because I like this subject and I love the practical use of this subject in life. and I think I can make the best out of it. So yes, I would love to join the job in this field. So, friends, these were some of the questions your examiner may ask you about your study, about your college, and I will make more videos on the topics related to the speaking module. So, wait and watch, wait for the next videos. And till then, if you like this video, kindly press the like button and do share with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. So your English teacher is signing off for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.